I will show you how to add rows in Microsoft Excel. Here is an example. It gives details of consumables received in the year 2014 and 15 in kgs. This table shows that the consumable quantities received: wheat, rice, barley and maize from the months January to December for the year 2014 and 15. Now our task is to find total quantity of wheat received for the year 2014 and 15. Similarly, the total quantity of rice received for the year from January to December, and barley received from January to December. So for that we need to add these rows from 34 to up to 87. So the formula for adding these rows is: first select the cell where you want to give the total. So first select the cell, then put equal to sign, then type sum, sum, open the bracket, then select the first cell where you start. First cell is 34 and the last cell. So for the first, after selecting the first cell, give * mark, then select the last cell and close the bracket. From our data region is from January to December. 34 is the starting figure and December is the 87 is the final figure. So you can see here a rectangle which covered all the data. Now give enter. So it's the total quantity received from January, total quantity of wheat received from January to December is 730. So like that. Now the second column shows that rice quantity. Similarly, third column barley. No need to enter the formula every time. We can apply the same formula to all these columns. So in order to apply this formula, you must hold the mouse here, the plus symbol coincide with the cell's corner, then drag it up to the required cell. Now you got the answer for wheat 730, for rice 707, barley 618, 736. The next task is to calculate the total quantity of consumables received for the month January. So total quantity of consumables received means 34, 24, 34, 53. The total of these four columns is equal to the quantity of consumables received for the month January. So for that we need to enter a formula. First select the cell where you want the total value, then put equal to sign, then type sum, open the bracket, then select the first cell and put * mark and select the final cell. So then close the bracket. It will show now the rectangle covers all the four columns. Now give enter. So it is 145 kgs received in the month January. The total consumable received is 145. Similarly, the total consumable received in February, the total consumables received in March, and total consumables in April. So no need to apply the formula every time. Need to type the formula every time. We can apply the same formula for the remaining all the columns, rows. So first hold the mouse here, then drag it up to the required row. Then we got all the answers. So for the month May, the total consumables received is 262.